Okay, so have you ever had bananas that look like this? Well, we went away for a couple days and we came back and we did not eat the bananas before we left, and I hate to spoil fruit. So, what we are going to do instead of tossing them or making banana bread, which is another option, I am going to throw them into my beautiful Vitamix machine and we are going to make banana smoothies for breakfast. What do you think?
Good.
You excited?
Yeah.
So we've got all the bananas in there, and normally I like to add a little bit of Greek yogurt just because it has so much protein in it. But right now we're out of yogurt, so we're just doing bananas and ice. And guess what? It comes out delicious. And all thanks to Vitamix. Now the smoothie's almost ready, and the thing I add to all my smoothie is flaxseed. So I'm going to add that in, and then it'll be ready to enjoy. And we added some yummy, yummy blueberries.
This is so good, and this is really good. Hi.